Now you see that this hair has been broken off from using a popular name brand product and also due to braids. And what I am doing right here, I'm using the DSERV protective strand treatment, which allows you to stop 80 to 100% of shedding the same day. She got the braids, left them in a long time. Her hair began to shed. It began to break off. Her hair was about 2 to 3 inches longer. Now, with that treatment, it's an amino treatment that allows you to have a non-chemical or a chemical texture in your hair, okay? So you can use this treatment at any time to do colors, relaxers, but you want to cup your hands and then apply it. Now it's starting to detangle the hair. So as I move my arm, you can see that now I'm able to get through. One strand is 3 strands, okay? So once I realize that I am getting through all 3 strands, which is in the middle of the hair shaft. Now, this product here can be steamed in and applied with our DHT blocker hydration conditioner. It's a real true game changer. You will not lose with this product. It rebuilds the hair instantly, same day. And as I'm combing through, you can see how fabulous her hair is receiving it. It would allow it to receive body and shine and decrease her shedding, eliminate any future breakage. When you're getting protective styles, you need to treat your hair before, you need to treat your hair after the protective styles, and you need to also protect your hair with any type of heat. So the next thing you see now is me using the actual protectant. This is our leave-in protected treatment. Love it. It's a leave-in conditioner, you guys. A true game changer. Usually after braids, sometimes silking out the hair can be a little bit challenging. I am not struggling. You see, I'm not even like pulling the hair. I'm just not even, there's no clips or anything. I'm just going through the hair, silking out her hair as if it's butter. Now look, I don't have to over silk the hair out. You can see the releasing of her moisture. This product here is a game changer. You don't even need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. And if you're wearing your hair naturally curly, you can apply more. But if you're silking out the hair, whether it's a chemical or it is natural hair, look at her hair. Now this person here had 2 types of textures going on. Around the area on the side, it was so coarse. At the top, it had a little bit of ease to it. So I balanced out the entire texture. Now her hair is broken off. So now I have to move into using another technique, which is just performance and giving her a clean look. And I had to cut the hair. So then I just grabbed my clippers and then I began to start cutting her hair. As I'm cutting her hair, I realized that she has a lot of breakage. Now, DSERV Healthy Hair Care teaches you, coaches you about the opportunity of having a better performance, having treatments. We are a company and a product line that will not leave you or abandon you. Our customers can pick up the phone, ask a hair question, and we're going to give you the answer. We now have the blueprint of actually giving you a wonderful, wonderful performance on your hair, whether you're at the salon or you're at home. We have products for customers who are at home, and we have products for salon professionals who are at the salon. There's no more struggle time. Back in the day, when we would do someone like this with natural hair, customers would freak out and try to reschedule their appointments because they knew it was going to be hideous, long, and just draining of their schedules. So this area right here, what I'm doing, all the breakage that's basically in her front area, and then she has something from her crown down to the middle of her back of her head. So later on, what you won't see is that I go through all of her hair. I go through the front of her hair and I'm silking it out. She is a college student and she wants to still feel beautiful and she wants to feel young. So she doesn't want that old lady style. So I gave her the body, I gave her the shine for her hair to last. She wanted this style to be simple, something that in between her studies, she can just wrap her hair and go. Now, what you want to do to protect this style here when you get in the shower, DSERV has a bonnet that has a double-sided elastic bonnet that actually could protect it. You want to wrap your hair, tie it up when you get in the shower. Make sure that all of your hair is up under there. Now, get ready, you guys, because I am showing you now the finale of what's about to happen. Look at her hair right now. Beautiful hair by DSERV.